if they're going to rent a room, there's of course for the low-income seniors, and if they're going to rent a room, okay, but mostly senior because they're out in the public now.
Yeah.
The government is trying to eliminate the nursing home. Everybody's transitioning to community. So they're transitioning to community now. In the community, they're being given programs like this, like home care, daycare, because the nursing home is costly, is mahal ang nursing home. So they're trying to eliminate. They call the nursing home transition. Everybody's is being out in the community. Wala nang masyadong involved sa nursing homes. So with that, because of that transition, there's a need for housing. Now, to get housing from the government takes time for every senior. Ang dami yung pila, and it depends on their need. Some of them cannot wait for that long, right? So they're renting rooms, and once they rent rooms, they're being discriminated by their roommates. Some of them are only can afford only like what 300 per month for rent because they don't have any more income. They're seniors. So 300, how much? No, wala na ng 300 ngayon. So how much? 400, and that's bed spacing. So you're sharing a room, right?
Sharing a room.
So unless if you have a roommate that is younger, magagalit because no, you have a commode beside you. Nobody would want to room with them because they have a commode. Kaya, ang daming problema.
Ano ka mo?
That's yung parang arinola ng
Sa
mga
tabi,
seniors.
no?
Yes, sa tabi ng bed nila because some of them cannot
They
go
don't
to the
do what
bathroom.
or malapit na emergency na.
Yeah, because that's a common problem. They cannot hold for a long time. They don't have time to go to the bathroom and they have to go, so that's why they have a commode chair. And nobody would want to room with somebody with a commode chair. Maiihi dyan sa so the discrimination is right there. Pinapaalis sila. And then they cannot cook, right? Because some of them nakakalimutin nila mag-turn off they forgot to turn off the stove, so they're not allowed to cook. Maraming discrimination. That's why my
Kasi
goal.
minsan they forget, like, like, turn it on.
Maraming reklamo na ngayon. So my dream, one of my biggest dream, only God can give, is to put them in one house where all the seniors can live there and their caregiver can just go in and out. And if they're rooming, also one of the problem, if a senior is rooming, so the landlord, the house tenant, the house landlord, don't want anybody else to come in. So hindi sila nakakakuha ng caregiver kasi ayaw ng mga may-ari ng
That's why
bahay.
ang statistics, New York has the worst CCRC. We don't have
What is
anything.
CCRC?
Yun yung mag-aalaga ka ng kamukayang people with special needs. May tinatawag kang independent, assisted, skilled, at saka dementia. While other state, they have like 200 per state. We only have 12.
Yes, yan na. So,
Why?
emergency to.
Wala silang wala
Yeah,
tayong...
they don't have, even the government don't have enough facilities to cover everybody else. So that's why
Kailangan talaga na.
you can, there's funds everywhere. When there's funding there, the problem is how we get the funds, how to start it, because you need to be cost effective kasi, for example, assisted living, if you want, there's not a lot of assisted living here. And if you want to open one, I want to open one just my house, I have a house, I have 3 bedroom, I can open assisted living, like the rest of the states can, right? Like Florida. But the cost is not. Ang requirement ng New York as to the staffing wise, you need to have a nurse, you need to have a CNA, you need to have something like that.
Yun ang barrier.
And it costs so much for that.
Yeah.
For those people, for those staffing, yun. Mag-cost yan. So what? The government pays for those assisted living na government funded. Government pays 4,500 per person. Okay, it's 4,000, and it's a big facility. There's so many rooms, right? 4,500 per person, right? Even if you charge like that to your 3-bedroom house, by the way, to your 3 or your 4-bedroom house, for one person, 4,500, still not enough for the nurse, for the 24-hour caregivers, for the CNAs, all that stuff. Hindi kasya. So you cannot open. That's why you don't see it here in New York, but you see it in California, you see it in Florida, but you cannot see it in New York because of the real estate is so high. You
We are
cannot
the
rent.
most poorly served
Uh-huh.
ng elderly dito. Yet we have a budget, but we're not doing it properly. Ang pangalawa, it's not integrated. Come on, you have, they're konektado ng independent, assisted. Dito, dementia, skilled, may walang integration. We need integration of everything. And we have to use what we call Internet of Things para ma-develop mo, ma-monitor mo. We have to go advanced. We are the worst compared sa mga Florida. Kasi nobody look it that way. Look, statistically wise.
Pero Doc, in Florida kasi Doc, it's not government funded there.
Yeah.
Wala. They private pay. In New York, the government pays.
Yeah. That's
Mas
why.
may funds tayo dito kaysa sa ibang state.
Oh, yeah.
Other state don't have any funds at all. Here we have a better funding program for
Better
the seniors.
possibility
Yeah.
that we can actually
Yes.
make it happen.
But it's just a matter of time to reach all to these people that needs help and to house them properly. That's the problem. Kasi for example, if I want to have if there's like right now, I have ang dami kong seniors na nawawalan ng bahay, nahihirapan. And I don't know how to help them. One right now is staying in my house kasi walang matirahan, walang tatanggap. Newly operated, new surgery, cannot afford the big room by herself, right? New surgery, di maka-afford ng room by herself, cannot live in a second floor apartment because of the new knee surgery. So saan ko nalagay? Sabi ko, tita, stay in my house. I kick out my brother, buti na lang may room si Doc. So I kick out my brother from the room, so now she's sharing it with my mom. So, alam mo yung ganun, may need na ganun, and hindi lang yun, I have another one that's in the
Are they
we have right
mostly
now.
Filipinos?
I'm helping Filipinos. I
Mostly
mean, why would I
Filipinos,
not? I'm helping Filipinos
Mostly
kasi,
Filipinos.
right now
But
because
it's the
that's
same
what.
problem all over.
Yeah, but it's the same problem all over.
Ang dementia lang, ang statistics mo dito, we have like at 7,000 dementia patients just in the zip code alone.
7,000 dementia
Yeah,
patients.
dementia by statistics. Because in the New York area, let's say 16%, we have 167,000 dito lang na sa population ng 65 above. I-compute mo mga 10%, let's say mga 4,000 ang dementia patients. And these people will benefit if we have this adult daycare. They will come every morning with dementia, we take care of them.
But
And then they can
we
go
don't
home.
have the dementia here, Doc.
Yeah.
Only only chronic diseases. We don't have the dementia or early, very early stage. But if you, kasi pag may dementia nga talaga, you're not
You
going
have
to
to have a
accept this
training
program.
center for that.
Because you need to have the facility, you need to secure the facility that they cannot come out. Because when they're dementia, they would run away. Lalabas yan ng facility. So you need lock talaga na facility na na hindi makalabas, but I don't have it here, so my facility is not equipped for that. You need to be equipped for all those needs.
So, apat yung mga medical conditions, like sa brain, that's why we have a medical. Let's say if you have a movement problem, yung
Dito yan.
or meron ka mga tubes, dito,
Ay,
dito.
dito.
So, instead of staying at home, like skilled, kasi ngayon, they're trying to get away from the nursing home. They want to bring it home. It's cheaper that way. Now, to do it, so if we have this facility, they can come during the daytime, they get their medication properly, they get their wound care, they get their exercise, but it's more of like an outpatient setup. So that's why if we have this facility, it will be
Meron na naman dito, pero very konti lang talaga. And then a lot of our seniors don't know. They don't know that those are kahit this simple program like this, nobody knows.
Yeah, and also for mental health. I mean, we have a lot of people who are depressed, suicidal, a lot of people substance abuse. So we have this program, it's called the, like people will come there, like adult health club, they can do exercise, gym. We also need, they also need mental health. Now substance abuse, we have to call the OSS program. Instead of, so it's like a three process of treatment. You have acute treatment, and then we have to have like rehabilitation, and then you have the way we go to go back to the society. So that's also part that can be integrated, what we call the Article 28. But focusing on the adult healthcare, there's really a need. That's why ang funding nito, at least we calculated, just to the facility, we need at least 250 to 500 grand to make it going. And then we can have a 100 people, take it, not only Filipinos, but 4 groups. The Chinese group, Bangladesh group.
No, the Bangladesh doesn't even know they have this. You know?
So,
Yung mga Bhutan, mga ganun ba, some parts of Asia, they just go to their center. Meron silang center from like,
But it's everyone's center.
yeah, it's everyone's center. It's not like a center like this that, you know,
How is this every day or
it's every day, Monday to Friday.
so that's a small.
like 4 hours?
Actually, if you're gonna open a medical day setting, you need to be open 7 days for a medical day setting. Kasi medical, there's a need.
And so that's option 1. That's a budget of at least 500,000. So we have to have like soft cost, construction cost, and then contingency funding. Now the bigger one, which we really need, okay, Adams made a 30 million worth of Article 28 in Brooklyn. We need one here in Queens. And here is a bigger project because there's construction of the land acquisition, at least it will cost like 8 million, and all the facility. So it will cost about 15 million to set this up, ito sinasabi ko. But it will help a lot. 4 categories: medical, mental, social, and ambulatory, all in one place. So we already did a very nice business plan on integration and everything. This is for the Article 28.
Dali lang po ha.
Okay.
Well, it's for the
So I think
Article.
yun na yun. I think yun na yun.
So, Ed, can you please talk about the
Yeah.
matter of your
Well,
ideas?
I put that in a package, not for this grant because we're trying to leverage an investment, outside investment. So, hindi pa dumarating pero we can submit that while at the same time we can secure grants. So, there are available grants here in New York, Department of Health. So it's a matter of applying.
Yes.
But we need a registered company that will apply for it. Because the requirement is a dust meat. So, simple lang naman yung requirement nila. Fill up lang yan. So we can start the process. We need to register yung registration form. So, alin ang
Which one we're
So we can use the Majestic.
So once we are registered, we can apply to any available grant. Or so yan yung
May ano ba? Hindi na...
W9 lang, yun lang. Kaya very simple yung requirement nila. And then application na rin sa grant.
Hindi sila ng financial statement.
Yung W9. Ito isa. Financial ito yung isa.
Hindi sila ng financial
Yung W9 ng
company.
O sige.
So, siguro mag-register tayo ng